guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another vlog. I am out in town right now doing a few things and I figured I would take you all with me. I'm actually in Trader Joe's parking lot right now. I'm going to go in and get some things that we've been out of that I've been needing to stock back up on. So I'll take you in here and show you what I get. So I never get a whole lot of stuff from Trader Joe's, but I do go in for a few things. And there's a couple things that I've always wanted to try that they're never in stock when I go in. So right here's one thing, it's the orange chicken. It is never there when I go. And then another thing are these croissants. I actually didn't get these today because we weren't going straight home, so they would have thawed out. And then rice is one thing that I always get while I'm there, along with some vegetables that we like. Okay, so now we're in Target. I'm not a huge fan of Target, but I do like the Magnolia collection. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna look around here and then we're gonna go on to the store. So I usually never go into Target unless it's for something very specific, but when I do go in there, I do enjoy looking at all their kitchen stuff, their glassware, all of their seasonal items that they have. Also, if there's any holidays coming up, I really like looking at all the things they've got for it. And glasses like this are my favorite. I love like tall, slender, see-through glasses, like the little iced tea glasses. I think they are so cute and just so fun. And I love this measuring cup too. I just really like the clear, clean look. But also, I've always got to look at all the pillows they have. And guys, I'm a sucker for anything watermelon, so I had to tell myself I didn't need this candle. And now on to Olive Garden. If you have never got their peach Bellini, it is so good, and they actually sell the flavoring for the tea. So we go in there and buy like 2 bottles of it every time we go to Olive Garden, so we have it at home to make. Okay, so we came to an Asian market and everything's in Chinese. We can't read nothing. So we're trying to find Kewpie mayo. And I found it. Look, and there it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so we just got out of the Asian market. I was going to show you what I got. I got a big bottle of oyster sauce. I found Kewpie mayo, which I was really excited about because everything I find on TikTok has Kewpie mayo in it, and they don't have it at our Kroger. I don't know if they have it at other Krogers, but they don't have it at ours. And then I got a couple packets of instant noodles to try. Got the original flavor and then the stir-fry noodles, not flavor. And then I got these dry noodles to make some like lo mein or just some Chinese noodles with. So that's all I got. And for the last stop of the day, we went to Red Lobster to grab some dinner before we went home. And I love their coconut shrimp. They serve it with a pina colada sauce and it is so good. So if you haven't tried it, Go try and let me know how you like it because it is amazing. So now we're home and I'm gonna let you guys know everything I got. As you seen in the video earlier, I showed you all of this stuff, the noodles, the instant noodles, the Kewpie mayo that I was so excited about, and my oyster sauce. This is the flavoring from Olive Garden that you can buy, and it is so good. And then they also had this garlic herb seasoning that I just had to try. They said that's what they put on their breadsticks. And we ran by a store and got some buns to have a cookout and make some French toast with. I got a big old bag of carrots at Trader Joe's, my rice. I love jasmine rice. This is my favorite type of rice. We go through it pretty quick. So every time we go, I'll pick up a bag. Then I got this piece of bread. I thought we could use it for like spaghetti night. I could cut it in little thin slices and make some type of garlic bread out of. And we've already used that too, and it's really good. So this is my short little small grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, and thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. If you guys like this video, press the like button and comment below, and I'll see you all in the next one.